You have probably seen headlines calling Ozempic a miracle weight loss shot. People on social media say it melts fat almost magically. But here is the truth. It is not a magic bullet, and it is not risk-free. I want to explain what is really happening in your body when you take it, why some people see big results while others do not, and what common misconceptions could actually backfire. Let us break it down, step by step, so it actually makes sense. So first, what is Ozempic? It is the brand name for semaglutide. Doctors originally used it for type 2 diabetes, but it also helps with weight management. Think of it like a traffic signal for your stomach and brain. When you eat, it slows down how fast your stomach empties. You feel full sooner. You eat less naturally. It also tells your pancreas to release insulin more effectively, which helps keep blood sugar steady. It is not burning fat. It is helping your body manage hunger and sugar. In a big study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, people taking semaglutide lost almost 15% of their body weight on average, compared to 2-3% in the placebo group over about a year. The FDA approved it for diabetes in 2017 and later for obesity. So yes, science backs it up when it is used correctly. A lot of people think stopping it will not matter, but appetite usually comes back. It is a tool, not a permanent fix. It can be expensive, around $800 to $1,200 per month without insurance. And side effects like nausea or fatigue are common at first. Most people adapt over a few weeks with doctor guidance. Ozempic can work, but only as part of a plan. With healthy habits and your doctor's guidance. It is a helper, not a magic solution. If this helped you understand how Ozempic actually works, share it with someone curious. Check out the playlist Ozempic, Semaglutide, for other related queries on same. Link is in the description. Subscribe and tap the bell for more easy-to-understand, research-based health videos.